Hello guys, today I am showing you how to use custom font in Elementor website like Elementor. So let's start. So first of all we going to our dashboard and search a plugin like custom font. Search here custom font. So you see the font is coming like the custom font, this one already first of all you need to install this one and then activate. See this one activate, so we are going to appearance and see the extra option with custom font. We are going here like custom font. So I have already created a font like North, and we should do first like custom font, add our custom font name, then we upload our file like WOFF2 WOFF like .ttf. so we can create a first our font name. This is visible, you search font like when you type the typography and go typography inside and see the search the font name, then the font is coming. So we first do a font name like our font. This one just showing purpose, so we can this one the font ttf file, we can upload the ttf file. So here is the option upload file, and we can upload the file. This one just showing purpose. So when the font was uploaded, we can select this. Just wait a minute. Like the font is uploaded, so we can click the select and upload file or font and edit this. So when this one uploaded, our font is coming like our font. So we can go our pages. I can create a page like use font, so we can refresh it and edit with Elementor. So remember which font name is created like our font. So see, this is the Elementor front end editor. We can show the default font here. See, they're coming. So we need click the editor option, the pen icon, and going to style and going to typography, then the family we select it, we click here default, we selected the form, then type our font. See, this is our font is coming, so the font is changed. See, the font is changed, so we can select other one like North. This one I first time create, and our font is changed. So save it and view. See, this is our font that I created, and we can create it customs. So that's the way you can create your own font and upload your TTF file and name the font, and we can edit it here in Elementor. So guys, thank you all. So view